Hello, good morning everybody. Myself DHRUB sir among of you. Now we are starting for class 8 biology section. This is the most important sections of biology which belongs to class 8. Now today we are starting about the crop production and their management. Crop production and management. This chapter for the class 8 belongs to the agriculture. What do you mean by the agriculture? Oftenly when we visit our villages, some villagers backing out the field and they will grow the crops in a huge field. What is this? This is mean of agriculture. This is the mean of agriculture. Then agriculture can be defined as the branch of biology, which deals about the production of crops and their management. This is the most important thing, because you know that every year our population is increases among the China world number 1 populated country. After that we have to getting some places in India also increasing their population field. That's why human beings need to grow the large amount of crop fields. That's why crops are more important for animal beings. Now, this agriculture can produce crop. What do you mean by the crop? Crops are the materials in which grown in large amount in huge field. This is known as for eating purpose called crops. Then it is also classified at the materials, because crops are some materials like as rice, grain. Some are materials which belongs to the crops. Then crops can be said that the material in which grown in large amount in huge field for eating purpose. That means all the purpose are related to the food scarcity. That means when the population is increases, after all the crops materials are also increases in the field. That is crops. We know that India has the crop seasons. There are mainly 3-4 crop seasons, which is summer seasons, which is winter seasons, mostly rainy seasons. These are the crop seasons. And if we distinguish about the crops, these crops can be distinguished types of crops, maybe legume crops. What do you mean by legume crops? These crops only gives the legume plants, just like pea plant, just like moong plant, arhar plant. These plants are legume crops. Now this can be set up as the legume crops. Example: pea, moong. These are the legume crops. Another variety of crops. These crops are rabi crops. Similarly, see kharif crops, and also another types of nagdi crops. So these crops can be variated in our field year to year. We turn over the plants material year to year. Whenever we added in our field rabi crops. After some times we can another crops developed in their field, legume crops. Now this topic is today completed. Next two parts comes again coming soon. Good morning. Thanks for listening me.